Like, you know, we couldn't just go in front of them for whatever reason, so we just stopped for ages. And then we went camping in like a place where horses do runs, you know?
Yeah,
We didn't actually go in the forest or anything like that. And surprisingly, it wasn't that hot, so I got a good amount of sleep.
Yeah.
I woke up 2 times, that's it. And one time, you know Monty?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's one bathroom in this place.
Yeah, only one.
Yeah.
There is a dining table here, Will.
That's where you get room service.
Yeah. This is nice.
Yeah.
Okay, I will wait you. Did you tell to your mom that we are here now?
Yes.
Kindly put your stuff, William, there. Not at the center. Ayun, Sabado ngayon, guys. Mega love shout out sa inyong lahat. Still at the hotel. Ayan, wala lang magawa. Boring. Yan ang terrace. Grabe ang init. Sobrang init. Sumisingaw yung init, oh. Grabe. Opposite kami ng Orchard Hotel. Delphi Orchard. Yan. Orchard Hotel, oh. Laki ng hotel ng Orchard, oh. Yan naman yung Orchard Tower, guys. Yan. Ito naman yung forum. Ayan ang view ng labas ng hotel namin, guys. Yan. Yung TV, guys, dito sa sa hotel. Yan. Naka-play ang aking mga videos, guys. Kasi may YouTube. Yan. Naka-play pa yan since nung pumunta kami dito, yan. O, diba? Maraming salamat. Magla-live sana ako kaninang umaga. Kaya lang, baka magising yung alaga ako kanina. Yeah, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.